I just want to say, guys, thanks. You know, got over 1,000 views now. It's 24, 25 views. Yeah, I received my first little gift. This is from Active. He's also on YouTube, but he's on Outdoor Review. He hasn't had a chance to put any videos up yet. Quite a busy working man.
Where would we be? It's sad to see that every living soul is way too blind to see. But we can walk on the moon, fly in the air.
You should receive that shortly, so yeah, I hope the goodies I sent you are some use to you, and you should see a video with these connected up to a few bits and bobs shortly. Cheers, mate.